You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to stop your Instagram account from being suggested to other users. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on How others can interact with you. Next, tap on Suggestions. Here you will find two key settings. First, tap on Account Suggestions. Toggle this switch off. This prevents Instagram from recommending your account to people who might know you or have similar connections. Second, to stop your account from appearing in suggested users lists on the Explore page, you need to adjust a different setting. Go back to your main settings and tap Privacy, then Connections. Tap on Contacts. If you have contact syncing enabled, turning it off can reduce suggestions, as Instagram won't compare your contacts to other users. For maximum privacy, also consider making your account private in the account privacy settings. This means people must request to follow you and your content won't appear in public suggestions. However, your account could still be suggested to friends of friends if you have mutual connections. These steps significantly reduce your visibility in Instagram's recommendation algorithms. For more simple privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.